Okay, Jesse, go speed run.
Ah!
Okay, this is a transfer case that we picked up from RC4WD Drive on the internet. Is underdrive, overdrive. There's input shaft, output shaft, input shaft, output shaft to the front.
Make the magic happen. Magic.
Is Okay guys, back with another update on the RC4WD Drive C2X build. We have the upgraded new underdrive overdrive transfer case from RC4WD Drive. Your input shaft here, output shaft here, output shaft here. This would be your rear, this would be your front, this would be your input. I got two pieces of paper sitting to the shafts to show you. We have the first basic setup that it comes with, which makes this front turn, I think, a quarter more than the rear. So when I do one full rotation, so right now they're lined up perfectly. When we do one full rotation on the rear, you'll see the front is now over here. So as you can see now, so that is obviously going to make your front axle get a higher input speed from the transfer case and turn faster. Now the advantage of that is it's going to help pull the suspension out on the truck, help keep it low, help with climbing up, and then also when you're going down, your back tires will be dragging a little bit. Downside is you're not going to want to run something like this on a trail only vehicle. You can, but you will notice it. I do have it on a couple other rigs, that I'm running dig on. So I just throw it into freewheel and just drive like a Honda Civic, doing burnouts everywhere until we get to the next hole, and we throw it in. Like I said in my other videos, when I talk about dig and overdrive and underdrive, there's a lot of guys that have mixed feelings on it. Personally, I prefer it. In the scale anyway. I don't know if I'd like it full size, but definitely in scale. So yeah, I've painted this one too, also to me kind of money green, a little bit different than just the silver that came with it. We're going to tear that truck apart, put this in, and continue on the next step on the build.
Yeah.
Hey Jesse, what are you doing?
Well, today I'm going to remove this plate, and then I'm going to remove some drive-wheeler shafts, and then I'm going to go underneath and release the Kraken. Just unscrew that, take it out, and
Now one thing I know
swap it out for this one.
from the past TF2s, that silver dry shaft in between the transfer case and the motor, you can break the output shaft really easily if you try to force that off. So what we'll do is we'll slide the transfer case backwards after we screw it off. We won't try to put any pressure on that. That should have been a universal shaft through there, but money is money.
Money is money. Oh, I'm gonna have to take off all this nice stuff.
It's gonna go anyway. We're replacing it.
Are we?
Well, we're moving it, relocating.
Where's it going? I'm scared. Okay. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that.
I have no idea why they positioned that like they did. You can't even fit the battery in. They literally put the electronics over top of the
Yes,
slot.
you can. Yes, you can.
Serial.
Did like like my elbow, Keith? Do you want to touch my elbow? Oh, fantastic. What does this take?
That's a pretty sweet connector, Jesse.
It's for clapping cheeks.
Clapping cheeks, those 2 neat connectors. Those from back in the day when they used to clap cheeks.
What did you do to this thing?
What is it? Oh, I bought that from the store. That's all I did to it so far, put tires on it. Any other problem you find in there came from the manufacturer.
Oh, I got it. I need like a scraper thing or something. The tape. Tape is too great. Apply it. Oh, yeah. Okay, yeah, all the screws have been removed, so we're gently gonna take this out of here as to not bust any unwanted shaftery. A little jiggle. There is your old one. So, and we're gonna slide the new one in. Oh yeah. It must be my birthday. Is it gonna fit? Is it even gonna fit? I don't know. Doesn't fit in the hole. Doesn't fit in the hole. Yeah, I can see that one sits down in there. Like so. Whereas this one's really fat. Really fat down in the nether regions. And it's not sitting flush down there.
So we need the Dremel.
We need to hog around, Jim!
Is there room for links and stuff to clear after we hog her out?
Oh yeah, I think so. It doesn't have to go down that far, we just have to make notches in here.
Okay.
Yes.
Let's do that.
Let's go and do that now. Spoop, spoop. Alright, so we hogged out a bit of the outer border of this cup in the skid plate with our trusty pal, rotary bit.
Dr. Emil.
And yeah, so now she plops right in, she's all screwed in, ready to accept the shafts. So I will do that.
You're gonna shaft it?
I'm gonna oh, you know I'm gonna shaft
With that shaft.
I'm gonna oh yeah.
Back with another update. Jesse.
What's up? Words and stuff. Videos. Tubes.
So, working on the RC four-wheel drive C2X. I hope I'm saying that right.
It's wrong.
It's upside down right now. We got the, well, Jesse got the underdrive, overdrive transfer case installed. Front tire spin faster, back tire spin slower. You notice those nice cushy traction shocks in there?
Oh yeah.
Full travel, no bindage, nice and buttery. Love traction shocks. As far as I'm concerned, best in the business. I hear the Element Enduro ones are pretty good, but the rest of the trucks needing a little bit of work. They got that new IFS setup.
They do. I saw it.
You know what they're going to come out with next?
I seen it.
It's got to be a desert
Yes.
Baja truck.
Yes.
Trophy truck?
I agree.
No, pre-runner.
Words.
It has to be. It has to be. There's no other yeah, so